Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
7-figure review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we will be talking about this software called 7-fig. So this is the 7-figure review, and right now we are on the sales page and the demo video is under construction. So as you can see, the demo video is not completed. It's a ClickFunnels video. So if I get back to the sales page, it says here, for any affiliate marketer looking to create a free and wildly successful email list, how we built a 6-figure email list in less than a month that transformed our affiliate marketing from spending dollars on Google paid advertising, dollars on SEO, and dollars on joint ventures to getting high converting free traffic from our email list of subscribers who spend dollars plus on our products and services. How we get 150 to 200 buyers added to my buyers list and get them buy from our affiliate links every time we send them an offer, without any opt-in page, without any squeeze page, without spending dollars on lead magnets, without design skills, without expensive funnels or WordPress pages, and without a single cent on advertising. Right? Everybody is cool? So they're talking about generating leads. Okay, they're saying you will be able to get some email leads, you will be able to build your list, okay, and you will be able to send them some affiliate offers and they will buy from your links and you will make money. The sales will start raining and you will become rich. So if you buy this on 31st of July, well, this is launching tomorrow, by the way. It's launching, I guess, on 25th of July, but I'm saying if you buy this on 31st of July, on 1st of August, you will be a millionaire overnight. Okay, so how they are trying to fool you around this time is they're saying you go and do blogging. they're saying their software will be creating blogs for you, and those blogs will rank in Google. People will come and read those blogs, and then they will enter their information. They will enter the name and the email in return for a PDF book which you will be offering, and they will be become your subscriber, and you can get 100 to 200 subscribers like that. Okay, so first of all, it's only half truth, okay, and half knowledge is very dangerous. If you know how to start the war, that is fine, but you should not start the war if you don't know how to win it. Okay, so 50% knowledge is useless. It's better to have zero knowledge rather than having 50%, because then you will be in mess. Okay, so do not start the war if you cannot win it. All right, now these people are saying you buy my software and the software will be generating these blogs, content, but everything will be generated on their domain, and they know nothing about SEO. Their domain will not rank in Google, never, ever, ever. Okay, so let me just waste some time here. And who does blogging in 2022, you idiots? Who? If you really want to go and get free email leads, go and make a YouTube video. Below YouTube video, you can leave your links. You see here my links, okay? So if somebody wants to go and join my email list, they can watch my YouTube videos for free, and they will find all the links below my video. And if they want to get something from me, they will subscribe to my email list, okay? This is the fastest way to rank and get free email leads and free money from YouTube, for goodness sake. Who does blogging today? Blogging. Let me give you a real example right now. This review which I'm recording, what is the name here? 7-fig, okay? If I decide to go and write the review on my website, theoretically, and I decide to go and make a review on YouTube, do you know what? On YouTube, I will get 10-20 views in next 24 hours. But if I go and write this review on my blog, on my website, I have no idea when my review will rank. It might rank after 6 months. By that time, this product will be gone. Who does blogging in 2022? Are you mad here or what? Videos are everywhere, okay? The world is infected with videos. Videos have infected the entire generations now. Your coming generations will be on mobile phones and watching videos all the time. Where don't you see videos? You go Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, wherever you go, you see videos. And you want to do blogging today. Just because somebody has said, go and buy my shit software and you do blogging? Well, I get it, okay? People who are tech savvy, people who have, they started their website maybe 7-8 years ago, right? Now their blogs are ranking. Now their content, website, everything is ranking. That's fine, but they have the total control. They have their own domain. They have the hosting. They have SEO skills. They're tech savvy. They are doing everything on their own. I run 3 websites. I rank for some keywords, but it doesn't make me money. Trust me. YouTube makes me money. Blogging doesn't. Because on YouTube, we share the same interest. You are watching this video because you are searching for it. On blogs, people might be reading news. People might be just killing their time. People might be just, trying to read some celebrity news or some recipe, whatever, okay? In blogging, it works, but it takes years, okay? And on top of that, you need to be hardcore tech savvy when it comes to websites, blogging, SEO, ranking, etc., okay? Just because some dude is saying, go and buy this and you will become rich and you start getting trapped, bullshit. Kick their ass. Who does blogging in 2022, idiots? This is all garbage. The sales page is under construction. If you ask me to go and do something which worked in 2002 and 3 and 4 and 5, I'm not going to do that. You do not have to go and do something which was working 20 years ago, for goodness gracious. You want to do blogging right now, today? Good. If you start blogging today, then make sure you have 10 years to wait. If you have patience to wait for 10 years, just go and do blogging today. And it's not the problem with the blogging. The problem here is that why their software? Why their domain? Are you understanding the technical part here? Right now the demo is not out, so I can't show you what they are selling you, but I can tell you this technical stuff here that you have to go and add your websites and domain into this tool called Google Search Console. So you click here, then you click on add property. Once you click on add property, you have to add your domain or maybe your URL, okay? Now you will not have access to the domain on which their blogs are, posted. So they're saying they will be creating blogs for you, stuff like that, but that is not your bloody domain. Let's see what they're talking about. Step 1, blogging. The system builds a complete blog from just a seed word, okay? So the system will build a blog. It generates the content from YouTube videos. Oh my God. So if you idiots, we have to use, so they're saying they will go and steal somebody else's video and then they will paste so let's say right now I am using my voice and you are watching the video. So you are supposed to go and maybe copy, convert my voice into text. That's what's gonna happen. Convert my voice into text and that text will be your content for your blog. Are you idiot here? Why would you go and put, try to hold your left ear from your right hand by twisting your right hand behind your neck? What is going on here? If you have to, come on, I'm sick and tired of this. And then you offer PDF, opt-in form, free traffic. Free traffic is this traffic, YouTube. You are watching my video, you are my free traffic. You can go below this video, okay, and you can click on these things. If you buy something from me, you are my free sales, you are free traffic. If you opt, everything is free on YouTube. And plus I make money on YouTube without having to sell anything, okay? So if you have seen some ads in my YouTube videos by now, those ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, or whether I sell you something or not, okay? So if you want to stop this madness, if you want to really make money online, you do not have to go and try to do what used to work 20 years ago. Do what is working today. Today. And that is YouTube. There's no argument on that. Whether you are comfortable or not, I don't care. You have to come on videos. Your entire generation can make money on YouTube for rest of your life and for rest of their lives if you take this seriously. So if you want to know how this works, then you can go and click on the first link below my video which says make money with Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel within 2 weeks. And then your YouTube channel will get monetized within 30 days. After your channel is monetized, then your job is simply to upload videos and make money, okay? So YouTube will be showing these ads in your videos, and every video, every view will make money for you without having you to sell anything, right? We will discuss all that in the end. For now, go ahead, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. All of that is free. And subscribe button is for you people, not for me. So I cannot subscribe to my own channel, so you have to do that, right? YouTube says I have to ask you to subscribe to the YouTube channel, okay? So just hit the subscribe button. It is free. And if you want to support this channel or contribute, then you can use the super thanks button here and leave your questions or colorful comments using this button, right? Let's get back here and have some more fun. Affiliate, this is never gonna happen. It's impossible, okay? They are saying that you will be hosting everything on their domain, which is pathetic, okay? I do not have any more energy right now inside me. Otherwise, let's see. So the sales page is under construction. Do not worry what you see here. Do not worry what you see inside the demo video. You need to remember one thing only in your life is that you are not supposed to buy anything from this website called Warrior Plus. You see this website, warriorplus.com, Warrior Plus. You are not supposed to buy anything from this website. This is reason number one. Second reason is nobody cares here if you make money or not, because if their intention was only to help you, they'll sell you this product in $15, $17 and they will walk away, leave you alone. But no, what they're doing here is they're saying, oh, pay them $297? Pay them $197 for what? What are we paying for here? $297, $197, $37, $32, $97, and this is what reoccurring? This is unlimited DS, BS. So you see here, how many? 17, okay? So the first product is front end in $15, and then you have 17 more upsells, right? So here, nobody cares if you can make money or not, okay? All they want to do is they want to come and sell you this, beep, right? Nobody cares. Nobody cares. Grow up, okay? Yeah. Sales page, pathetic, okay? Concept, you're supposed to write some blogs. Those blogs supposed to rank somewhere, and then you will get some email subscribers because they will opt in. My foot. How will they opt in? Your blogs are supposed to be hosted on their domain. They're hosting. You have no control. You know nothing about SEO. You know nothing about WordPress. You know nothing about content writing. You know nothing about SEO. Please go back to sleep. You have to go back to work tomorrow morning. Or else, if you really want to make money online, then go below my YouTube video. Click on the first link which says make money with Traffic Jarvis. You can see all these links. This is how the real money is made. You have to work for your money just like I'm working for my money right now. I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis now. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.